Let me show you how to design an e-learning website like Udemy with WordPress. This is a website where visitors can visit to purchase online courses. So any course they want to purchase, they can click on it to take them to another page where they can see more details about the course they want to purchase and see related products. They can check out the curriculum and know the lessons they will get access to once they purchase your online course. They can check the reviews right here. If there is any review, they can check it out here. And if they want to make payments and or purchase any of these, they can click on this buy now button. They can proceed by clicking on view cart. They can scroll down to see the online course they have added to cart, and they can proceed to check out. Here they can fill in this form and make payments with Paystack. And once they purchase any of your online course, it will redirect them to the page where they can get access to the video lessons. They can click on other sections to access use other video lessons. Once they're done with any video lesson, they can click on this mark as complete. Right, the very first thing we want to do right now is to host our website. And if you want to host your website, I highly recommend Hamware. You can host as many websites as you want on just one account. So you could have a school website, a social media site, and a blog all under the same plan. First, to get started with your domain name and hosting, simply click the link in the description box. And then it will redirect you to this website where you can purchase a domain name and hosting. And click on this. Click on this tab until you get to the part where you can search for a domain name you can purchase and host. Now you can simply come over here and search for a domain name you can host. Let's type this. Get to search for it. This domain name is available. We can proceed to purchase this domain by clicking on this add to cart. There are other domains you can purchase right here, .com, .ng, .net, and so on. So once we click on add to cart, we click checkout. Now we have to host this. We have to purchase a hosting plan, and to do this, we click on no hosting. Click to add. Then we scroll down to starter plan. There are various plans here: starter plan, classic plan, VIP plan. You have to select one right here, and there are in starter plan you can host 2 domains. There is the 12 gig web storage, unlimited bandwidth, 50 email accounts, and so many others. If you're still starting out with your website, you can go with this starter plan, and we can purchase it by clicking on order now. So when you scroll down here, you have to select the domain name you want to register, and this is the domain name. Here we click on use, and then we choose the billing cycle. You can select 24 months price, and this is the total due. Then we can click on continue. We can also add this DNS management. It's free for 1 year. We can add it. We can add this ID protection. But let's choose this DNS management and continue. And then we have to check out by clicking on this checkout button. Here we can register the name, register our personal information. We can input our personal information like the first name, last name, email address, phone number, the billing address, like your company name. That's optional. Your street address, your city, your state, postal code, your country, Then you come over here and input your WhatsApp number. How did you find us? You can click here and select. So you can select here from a friend or other or web hosting talk. So let's choose friends, right? Who are you hosting? Myself. Are you a developer? Yes. So we'll continue right here and put in as type in the password right here. All right, put in the password, the one you can easily remember, and confirm the password right here. So once you're done, you scroll down and click check this. I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Check this right here and click on complete order. All right. So if you already have account with Harmon Web, you can proceed by clicking on this already registered. Then it will ask you to log into your account, and you can use your email address and password to log into your account. Then we can proceed by putting an email address and password and click on login. Now we have to scroll down here and click on I have read and agreed to these terms of service. Then we will click on complete order. So there are various options here. You can make payments with your debit card. You can make payments with transfer. You can make payments through transfer. You can make payments through your bank app. You can make payments using the USD and so on. Even the OP option is right here. So you can make payments using OP. So that's it. Once you transfer the money, you can click on I have sent the money. But when you use the debit card, it will automatically proceed the payments and confirm your payment. Now we have paid for this domain name and hosting. We can now proceed to install WordPress. So to install WordPress, you simply go over to the Harmon Web dashboard. Go over to your dashboard. Okay, right now we are going to log into this Harmon Web. Let's log into our client area. To proceed, we're going to click on this services. You can also check the services here. Click my services. Then you scroll down and search for your domain name. Alright, this is the domain name we just purchased. This is the domain name and hosting we just purchased. You can click on this active here, this active button, and scroll down. And scroll down, search for login to, search for cPanel. This is the login to cPanel. Here, click on actions. Check for the login to cPanel. Click on it. Then you scroll down to software. Click on this WordPress Manager by Software Plus. Now click on this install. Scroll down here. Make sure you click on this and select the third option, which is HTTPS. Right? Make sure you select this and select your domain name right here. If there is any Any text right here, make sure you remove it. Okay. Now this is the latest version. Select it. Then you scroll down. Don't worry about this. When your domain is propagating, you will come across this. But don't worry, because after 24 or 48 hours of purchasing the domain name and hosting, your SSL certificate will be available. So you just have to install the WordPress and wait for it to propagate. All right. Take note. Then you scroll to these site settings, search for your site name. Okay, put your site name here. Let's call this. I just type in here AW and put in your site description. Then you put in your admin username and admin password right here. So you can type in whatever you want to type in here. Just make sure it's something you can easily remember. All right. What we will put here? Okay, let's type in same AW 0. Then put in a strong password here. Okay, I'm going to use this. You can as well use this key to generate a password. Now, you scroll down and put in your email address here. Put in your email address. And make sure you leave this like this. This admin email, leave it this way. This admin email. You can create emails using your domain name, or leave this one like this. Okay. Then scroll down and click on install. Click on install. And wait for it to install. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. All right, so we have successfully installed our WordPress. Now, what we have to do now is to log into our WordPress dashboard, and you can do that by simply clicking on this link right here. So if it's showing this way, that means that the domain is still propagating. So you have to wait for it to propagate before you can proceed to your dashboard. So we have WordPress installed. The next thing to do is to log into your WordPress dashboard. You can simply log into your dashboard by typing in your domain name /wp-admin. For instance, this is my domain name. Come over here in wp-admin. Click enter. Now you have to log in with your username and password. Remember the username you use to create your WordPress. The one you fill in when you are creating your WordPress. So that's what you will put here. Your username and the password. Put that right here and click on login. This is our WordPress dashboard. See those options on the left. The post, media, pages, comments, appearance, plugins, features, tools, settings. And click on pages to make a new page. So the next thing to do is to add a theme. But you're going to scroll down to appearance and click on themes. Themes under appearance. You have to install a theme, all right? And that will show you how to get access to this theme. If you want to install a theme, you can simply do it right here. You have to click on the add new theme. You can do it on the WordPress dashboard, and you can also do it through cPanel. So if you want to install through WordPress, you have to come over to this and click on add theme. Then you scroll down here and click on this choose file. Then you have to install the theme. All right, that's how to install a premium theme. And select the zip file and click on open. And click this install now. All right, these the themes I've installed. These are the themes. Okay, so you click on the install now button to install this theme. Now there is another way to install the theme. You can install it through cPanel, which I'm going to show you how to do it. So you head over to your hosting provider. Let's say we hosted this website on harmonweb.com. We're going to click, you are going to visit the harmonweb.com, and then we are going to click on this client area. Log into our website. So we log into the client area, and then we click on services. Then we scroll down. We scroll down to our hosting plan. This is the hosting right here. We click on active. Then we scroll to this where it says actions here. Log into cPanel. Alright, log into cPanel under actions. You're going to see it right here. Click on log into cPanel. So you just have to access your cPanel. Alright. Log into your cPanel. Then you scroll down to your file manager. Click on file manager. Then here we can upload the theme. Now we are going to click on this public HTML. Then click WP content. And then click on these themes. Here we can upload the theme. Just click on this upload right here. And click on select file to upload the theme. Then click on select files. Select file. Then we are going to choose this theme. Now, if you want to get access to this theme, click the link in the description. Select the theme and click on this open. And once it shows this 100%, you can now click on this go back. And here is the theme. Just select it and click on extract. Click extract files. Now we can close this and go over to our website. Now we are going to scroll down, click on this appearance and click on themes. And then we scroll to this theme right here and click on activate. We have to install a plugin called Masterio. This is the plugin we are going to be using to add our video contents and lessons. So we are going to head over to plugins, click on add new plugin under this plugins section. Then we are going to scroll down to search for this plugin named Masterio. This is an LMS plugin we are going to be using to add our video contents and video lessons. So you click on this install now. Wait for it to install. Once you have installed this plugin, click on activate. Now we are going to scroll down here. We can select this. I'm going to click on this skip step, and you can select this individual or marketplace. But I'm going to select this one right here. We click on next. So you can select your currency. Search for your currency right here. Then we select. Okay, we can skip this and click on next. And then click on install. Then we scroll down here, it says congratulations, you are all set. Now we can head over to our dashboard. We just click on back to dashboard, and it will take us to our WordPress dashboard. Now this is the plugin. This is the plugin we are going to be using. Alright, now before we start making use of this plugin to add our videos, let's install the necessary plugins required for this theme to work. Now we are going to click on this theme now and click on the install plugins under this theme. Install plugins right here. Now we are going to scroll down and click on this plugin tab. We want to install all these plugins, required plugins, right? We click on it and click on, okay, they say required. We are going to uncheck this LMS. You can install it though, you can install LMS. Let's, but for now, it depends on the plugin you want to use to add your video content, your video lessons. So if you want to use LMS, you can add that to, you can install that. You can see this recommended, not required. So it's not compulsory to install this LMS. So since we are using the master master real so since we are using this plugin to add our video contents, we are going to uncheck LMS and install all plugins right here. We are going to click on book actions and click on install. Alright, so we are going to install it one after the other. Click on install plugins, then we install this plugin. Just click on install and wait for it to install. So this plugin is installed. Okay, plugin installed successfully, plugin activated successfully. We are going to click on return required plugins installer. So that's how you are going to install all these plugins right here. Just click on install. So the next thing to do is to import a demo, and we're going to do this from here. This is the theme. You click on the demo install, right? So we are going to head over to the theme. This is the theme right here. We click on it, then we click on demo install. Then you scroll down here. You see this import demo data. Click on it. Then you scroll down. Click on continue and import. Say import complete. Now you just have to visit the site. Let's see. So now we have to install this plugin by clicking on this install. Now once you have installed the material, now once you have installed this plugin, you can access the courses page here. Click on this. Now these are the video lessons on this page. Now you can edit them and click on edit and edit these video lessons right here. Now if you want to use this plugin, you can either use this you can either use this plugin or this plugin right here, LandPress, or this one. So you can either use this plugin or this. Now since we are going to be using this plugin to add our videos our content, we are going to remove this. We are going to remove LandPress. Now we are going to come over to plugins, click on install plugins. Then we are going to scroll down to this learn press and click on deactivate. Then we scroll down. Then we are going to, okay, now we are going to continue with this. Now we want to add our video content. We want to create a page. We want to add our video content. So let's say, for instance, you want to add your video lessons on this, on your WordPress. What you can do is to come over to this material, this plugin, and click on these courses. You can edit these online courses right here. And you can add a new course by clicking on this add new. Alright, so let's edit the ones that are available right now. Let's edit this contents. Now we're going to click on this edit button. Then we are going to scroll down. Okay, so here now we can name the course name right here. So let's say, for instance, you want to add, let's say, for instance, this web design class you want to add here. You can type in web design. And then we can come over to this page description. You can use ChatGPT to generate your description, right? You can add the course contents right here. Select this. You can add an image right here. Let's change this. Click on add new to add it. Then you can upload a file, an image. Click on select files. Then you select a file, select an image you want to. Select this. Open. Then once it's selected, you click on select right here. You can edit the course highlights. Now let's edit. Okay. So once done, you click on update right here. Now this updated, you can preview right from here. So this is the page. You can see the overview right here. We haven't added the curriculum. We haven't added any video lesson here, but we are going to click on this curriculum. Now once you click on this curriculum, it will give you access to the video lessons that are available right here. We are going to edit all these stuff here. Okay, so let's click on reviews. Now students can add a review here, submit a review from this page. Okay, and if they want to get access, they can click on this tax course right here. We are going to edit this. We're going to add a fee. We're going to add a registration fee here, and we're also going to add video lessons to our content. So let's add video lessons right now. Let's add video lessons. To add that, you simply go over to this plugin. Now we click on builder. Here we can add a video lesson. Let's edit this. Just click on it if you want to edit. If you want to edit this video lesson now, okay, let's first edit this. The title, click on edit. Click on these three dots, then you click on edit. Here, this section name. So you can add the section name right here. Now, let's say introduction. Introduction. Then click on save. Now we can edit this video lesson. We can edit it. So let's click on this edit icon. Click on the edit icon, and then so let's say this video lesson name. I'm going to paste this right here. So this video source, you can select self-hosted, which you have to add the video here. If you want your video to be hosted on the website, you can do this here. Okay, so when you use this self-hosted to upload your videos lessons, your site will be slow. When people visit your website, the site might just keep loading for no reason. So that's why I recommend you use either YouTube or Vimeo. You can also go for this embedded video. But right now we are going to go with YouTube, and they ask us for our video URL. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you will be among the first people that will be notified anytime I drop new video content. Now we are going to make use of this video link. I'll click on share and copy the link. If you want to copy a video content, you click on the three dots icon, click on share, and click on copy. The link copy to clipboard. Now we are going to go over to our WordPress dashboard. Under this video URL, we paste this link, and this is our video. Now we can proceed. Scroll down to, you can add a lesson description right here. You can also remove this. Now if you want your students to get a lesson description, maybe you want them to get access to the materials you want to use for your video content, your video lessons, you can put that right here. Even if it's a link to a website, you can paste it right here. Then to show up right here, right? So you can still leave this blank and click on update. Alright, you can add more video lessons. You can add more new content here. Click on this, add new content. You can duplicate. Okay, duplicate is for the pro version. So if you want to add new content, click on add new content, then click on video lesson. So here you can add your lesson name, your video source, add your lesson description if you have lesson description, and click on publish. Once you're done, you just click on this update. I paste the link here. Then you scroll down, you can add your title, Okay, let's add this title. Okay. So once you're done, click on publish and then click on update. So once you can add new section here, you can add more video lessons. All right, same procedure. Add your section. Then you click on add. You can add more video contents here. Now once you're done, you click on update. Now you can click on the settings here. This is the general settings. You can add the duration, the course duration, how many minutes. That's you can put it here. How many hours? How many hours? Let's take for instance that this course is 3 hours long. Now we can put that here. You can choose this if it's an expert course, it's an intermediate course. If it's an intermediate or beginner course, you can choose that here. Now you can scroll down to this and you can set a password. You can set a password for this course if you want. If you want your students to get a password in order to access their course, you can set the password right here. Okay, so the display, you can add a welcome message here, description and the title. So let's preview the welcome message. So this is how it will look once someone purchases a course on your website. This is the welcome message. If you want that, you can toggle this on. Now you can toggle this review after completion. You can toggle this on to this review tab. If you don't know what it means, you can click here. I always recommend that you leave this on, always visible for everybody. You can also select this only visible to enrollers. Now, this means that when people visit your page, they will be able to see the curriculum, the video lessons they will get access to once they make payments. You understand? Once they make payments or once they register for a particular course, they will be able to get access to particular curriculum. So this is what it means right here. So this is the curriculum. Okay, so once I click on this curriculum, you'll be able to see the video lessons you get access to once you register for this training. So I always recommend that you leave this here so they'll be able to see what they would get access to. This is very important. And for the pricing, click on pricing right here. If you want this a paid course, if it's a paid course, click on paid here and you can now select if it's a one-time payment or recurring payment. Note that if it's a one-time payment, you can get access to this feature for free. But if it's a recurring payment, meaning that they have to pay, they have to subscribe, maybe every month or yearly, then you have to get access to the pro version. You have to get access to the pro plugin to make use of this feature. Now we are going to set a one-time payment for this. And they said this in USD. I'm going to show you how you can change this payment method. You can use WooCommerce to change this. So let's set this in dollars. Let's say $10. Then the sale price is, let's say, 20. Let's click on updates, and now once we come over here and reload this page, okay, you see this is $10 now. Right, you can edit other course contents here. You can add the categories. So let's continue. Click on content drip. So once you're done, just click on updates. So let's create a new page. We're going to head over to these pages and click on add new page. Once we click on pages, click add new page. Now we are going to name this page home page, and we are going to click on this edit with Elementor. Click on this Envato element here. Alright, we can install a template kit on this install kit folder. Okay, so we are going to head over to the education folder, education template folder right here. Just going to click on it and double click on this. Then we are going to preview to check the template we want to use. Okay, so if you want to get access to these templates, you just click on the link in the description below. Just check the description box to get access to a link that will redirect you to a page where you can get access to these templates. So these are the templates. If you want to download it, just click on it. Let's click on it and drag to the website. Okay, we have downloaded these templates. Now, if you want to upload it, you scroll down and click on this upload template kit. Then we look for the template we want to upload, click on it and click on open. Right, this is the template, is the home page about us, and then we can search and upload the templates. Okay, so let's say for instance this is the template we want to upload. Just simply click on it and search for the home page. This is the home page right here. We click on insert templates. Okay, so these templates consist of templates in different pages. The about page is available here, the home page, the contact page, and so on. Now we are going to insert the templates. We're going to import the templates by clicking on insert templates and wait for it to import. Now if you want to add your video, now if you want to add your programs, your video trainings, your online courses right here, if you want to add them right on the home page or any page at all, if you want to add those things on your page, so you have to simply So what you have to do is to come over to this tab, search for short code, then you drag. Now let's take for instance that you want to add this code, you want to add those online courses right here on this place. We can drag this code here, drag it to this point. Then what we are going to impute here, this is the code we are going to impute here. This is the code. Or yeah, this is the short code. This is it. Or you can simply go to any AI tool like ChatGPT or Gemini. Then you type in this how to get code for material courses, your courses on WordPress. Just type in this and you will get this. You get the short code. So this is the short code right here. So you can just simply copy only this, right? This is what I copied and I changed these numbers. I remove this one and add this thing. That's what you have. So that is what is here, right? I changed the numbers and added the quotation mark, added the quotation mark right here and add the bracket sign, right? So that's what you have to do to add this here. Okay. And if you want to, change the numbers, if there are many courses you want to display on this website, let's say, for instance, there are 11, you can change this number to 11. So it depends on what you are offering, the number of stuff you want to display here, right? Right, Master Rio, right? So this is the code you have to import here. Just copy this code and paste it on this enter short code. Paste it right here. So this These are the video trainings that are available on the WordPress dashboard. We can still edit all these stuffs here, all these details. We can still edit them on the WordPress dashboard. So this is the one I created. Okay. So we can still edit everything on the WordPress dashboard. That's how to go about it. You can edit the elements on these pages. You can edit all the elements on these pages. All right. If you want to edit the heading on this page right now, you can simply click on it. All right. Here you can use ChatGPT to generate heading for your website. All right. So once you generate, you can paste it right here. Okay, let's paste this one we have copied. You can add the subheading right here. Scroll here and click on this tab. Now it will bring out this. So you can come over to style to change the color. You click on this color here. And let's see, let's you can change the color to anything you want. Okay. And you can also add a background overlay if you want to. You can add a background overlay. Now we can edit this image. You simply click on it to edit, click on it, then you change, say choose image. You can upload an image here. You click on upload files and click on select files. Now you can select your image, any image you want to choose. to use here, you can select it. Once it's selected, you click on open. And then you can add it. So now we are going to use let's use this image right here. Then click on select. You can add logos to this website. If you want to add your partners logo, you can add it from here. Just click on this. So you can select the logo by clicking on choose image. Alright, so let's just remove this. If you want to remove it, just select the section here and click on this. Now we are going to scroll down. You can start editing all these tab, all these elements. Alright, now we have edited the subsection. We can now edit other section right here. Okay, so the same procedure, same process. Now, if you want to edit this, if you don't want this on your page, you can simply delete this section here and it will remove this right here. But I'm going to edit this, and if you want to, access the history is either on this history tab, this place, or you can just click on the Elementor. If you have access to the pro version, you click on the Elementor logo, click on it, and it will give you access to the history tab right here. Okay, so this is the history. You see an icon like this. Once you click on that logo, that Elementor logo, you see an icon like this. You just click on it and you will get access to the history, right? Now, all right, now you can undo and undo. Okay, so we are going to edit this section and this section right here. So that's how you can edit the home page of your website. You can as well do the same for other pages. So once you're done, you click on this update. You can also get access to the update button here at the top section of your website here, and also update it. So now let's preview our website. You can edit other sections here, like I said. Now let's preview our website. When you want to click on this button here, it will redirect you to your website. Now let's preview. It's coming out. Okay, so if someone wants to start this, they can access. If you want to preview the website, go over to another browser. All right, go over to another browser. This is another browser here. copy the link, Ctrl C, go over to another browser and paste it right here. Click on enter. Now if we scroll down here and say okay, let's tap on this. If you click on this, now you can see this. This is the overview. This is the overview. This is the curriculum we added. And if you click here, you get access to the reviews. Okay, I will show you how to change this pricing. You can change it from your WordPress dashboard. Yes, this is another one. Now, if you click on this task course, it will redirect us straight to where we can start learning. So once they are done, they can click on mark as complete. You can also access all the tutorials here. So we want to add a payment gateway. When someone wants to purchase your online course and they click on the buy now button, it will redirect them to the checkout page. Now, when they are on the checkout page, they will get access to the payment details and the form they have to fill in order to purchase the product, all right, and the price. Now, they can click on confirm payments and so on. Now, you see this payment, please enable one or more payment gateways. Now, you have to enable payment gateways, enable a payment gateway so that people can actually make payments on your website and you will receive the payment. And one way you can do this is by integrating a Paystack account, integrating Paystack to your website. You can use Paystack, you can use Flutterwave, you can use Stripe, you can use PayPal. It all depends on your target audience. So we are going to be integrating Paystack to this website, right? And if you want to integrate Paystack, first you have to install WooCommerce on your website. So let's go over to our Chrome browser and so let's go over to our dashboard. We are going to click on plugins right here and click on add new plugin. Then we are going to scroll down and search for WooCommerce. Now, if you have to install this plugin right here, click on the install now plugin. Now, click on install now and wait for it to install. Once you have installed this plugin, make sure you install the right plugin. Right, you can see that this is 8 million plus active installations. Now we are going to activate this plugin here. Click on activate. You click on this set up my store, click on it, and which one of these best describes you. Let us know where. So business. So you can select the first one and click on continue. So you can set up this stuff right here. So you come over here and select your store name, and then you select the industry. Let's say anything like this. Let's browse. Okay, education and learning. Click on this. We select, say where is your store located. You select that here. Then you type in your email address right here and click on continue. To integrate Paystack on your website, you have to visit paystack.com. You will see create a free account, login. Okay, so you can create an account. If you don't have a Paystack account, you simply click on create free account here. So you have to select your country here. You click this and select your country. If you're in Ghana, you select Ghana right here and type in your business name, type in your first name, your last name, your email address, and phone number. Then you scroll down. Create a password. Then you select either this or registered business. If you have a registered business already, you just click on this. Click on yes, I am software developer, and then click on create my account. So once you're done, you just click on create my account, and it will redirect you to the Paystack dashboard where you can continue to to set up your account right there. So I'm going to log in because I already have an account with Paystack. But if you want to learn how to create this account, you can check out the description box below. I will click on login. It will redirect you to a page where you have to log into your account. So you put in your email address and password and click on login. If you haven't set up your account yet, it will not be like this. Your account will show set up your account and you show other details right here. So you have to verify your account, confirm all those details, to fill in those details. And once you are done, you will check this live. If your account is live, it will show this live right now. It will show this live. All right. So make sure you toggle on this. Make sure you toggle on this. Now, what you can do to set up your payment gateway on your website is to click on settings here. Once you click on settings, click on API keys and webhooks. Now you have to copy the live secret key and public key. So you click on this icon and put in your password right here. Click on continue. Copy the live secret key and go over to your website. Go over to your WordPress website. So we have to install a plugin to integrate our live secret key and public key on our website. And so we are going to go over to plugins. Click on add new plugin. Now we are going to scroll down here and search for Paystack, and it's going to show these plugins here. So the one you have to integrate, you have to install now, is called Paystack WooCommerce Payment Gateway. So this is already activated. This is already installed and activated. All you have to do is to click on the install now button right here and click on activate. Once you have installed and activated the plugin, go over to WooCommerce and click on settings. Now you click on payments. You see this Paystack. Click on manage right here. Then you scroll down here. So you paste the live secret key here and paste the live public key. So you go over to your website, copy this live secret key, then go over to your website. And paste this right here. Go over to your website, paste the live public key, copy the live public key, then you paste it right here. All right. You have to copy this link, copy this webhook. Come over to this live webhook URL and paste it right here. All right. Then you click on save changes. Now you go over to your website, check this, enable Paystack. Then you come over, you scroll down and click on save changes. So the next thing we have to do is to integrate WooCommerce to this Masterio plugin. And to do this, we have to simply come over to click on this Masterio. Once we click on it, under Masterio, click on add-ons. Now this will take you to this page. Search for WooCommerce. Okay, we can search for WooCommerce here. Here's the WooCommerce plugin. We click on this. Click on toggle this on. See, add-on activated successfully. Okay, so you head over to courses here. Now let's create a product with WooCommerce. So any course you want to create a payment gateway now, you want to add to WooCommerce, you want people to pay with Paystack, you have to come over to this. So let's take for instance this the course here. Let's first of all we are going to click on edit. Now click on settings here. This is the settings. So you can change the pricing. Click on pricing. Let's say for instance we want this to be let's change it to 5,000 naira. Okay, you can leave this like this, and then you come over to this WooCommerce. Let's click on update. Then we click on these create products under WooCommerce and click on this update. Make sure you click on this payment and check this Paystack. Make sure that it is active. Alright, make sure that it's active. And now if you want now make sure you check this. Now once you view that this okay, so you can see that it's active. If it's not active, you can activate it. You'll see something like activate here on this button. You'll see a button here that says activate. So you have to click on the activate button. Now make sure you go to site visibility. Go to site visibility, scroll down, change this coming soon to live. All right, change the coming soon to live here, and then click on save changes. Click the save changes button. Now let's visit our website. Let's click on this buy now button. Then you scroll down. This is the product, right? Then you click on proceed to checkout here. So this is the phone page. Okay, you can see that this is active. This is the payment option. This Paystack. So you can place order here. You can place order by clicking on this button. Okay, so you have to first fill in this form. Then you can proceed to place order to make payments. So if you want to edit the checkout form fields, what you have to do now is to go over to your WordPress dashboard and click on plugins. Click on add new plugin right here. Scroll down. Scroll down here and search for checkout form fields. Okay, so install this plugin. This is the plugin I want you to install. You can see 100,000 plus active installations. Okay, checkout field manager for WooCommerce. Install and activate this plugin. So you just click on the install now button, and once it's installed, click on activate. This one is already installed and activated. Now once you have installed and activate this plugin, what you have to do is to head over to your WooCommerce plugin, which is this, and click on checkout. This is the checkout. So from here, from this checkout, you can proceed to edit what you want. Like you can see that this says, okay, you see first shipping address, you can select here no, yes or no. But since we are selling online, since this is a digital product, we don't need to force any shipping address. Okay, we don't need anything like shipping address. We have to select no, right? Just leave it as no. First, create an account. You can do that if you want. If you want people to create accounts before they access your online tutorial, online courses or digital products, you can select yes. But now I will select no. Further notes, you can remove this if you want. Okay, so you scroll down, and once done, you just click on save changes. You can click on this billing, and you can uncheck all these stuffs. This country, you will see it this way. You can uncheck it. You can toggle off any one you don't want. You can toggle it off. Okay, this country right now, you can say, okay, toggle off this. So you can use this plugin to edit what you want. And once done, you just click on save changes. All right. So that's it. You can click on the shipping, additional, and other stuffs to edit them. So that's how to use this plugin. That's how to edit the checkout page. Now, the next thing we want to do is to set up a menu for our website, a menu which will be on the header of our website. So to set up the menu, we go over to appearance. So we go over to appearance here and click on menus. So we want to create a menu so we can, add a header on our website. So what you have to do is to scroll down here and, you know, if your website is still a new website, you see something like creating the menu here. All you have to do is to click on the create menu. Right, then you come over to this page layout and start adding the pages you want. For instance, you want your home page here, so you'll see your home page. You just have to drag it to this side. If I want to add this checkout to my page, or let's say cart page to my page, I'll just drag. Okay, I'll just click on this button. I'll just check the cart page, check it right here, and click on add to menu. So that's how to add pages to your menu. You know. So if you want to add like all courses right now, you can just click on this, select menu, and click on add to menu right here. This is the menu I want to add. Click on it and click on add to menu. So that's how to add to menu. And once you're done, you just click on save. Now let's create a header and footer for our website. Now what we have to do now, go over here to search plugins and search for header. Let's just search for header here. Okay, so this is the plugin I want you to install. This is the plugin Automate Add-ons for Elementor, known as Elementor Header and Footer Builder. All right. So install this plugin. Okay, the one that have over 2 million active installations. All right. So just install it. Once installed, click on activate. So I'll go over to install plugins. Over to this installed plugins to activate it. Then you scroll down. This is it. Automate add-ons for Elementor, right? So you click on activate. This is the plugin here. You click on it and click on header and footer builder. Now, okay, I've created a header and footer for this website. What you have to do now is to just click on add new. In your case, okay, your own might not show any previous installation here because this might be the first time you are editing with this Elementor header and footer builder, right? So what you have to do is to click on add new. Click on this add new. Let's just name this header 2. Okay, so this Elementor header and footer builder options, under this you see type of templates. Click on select options, then select header right here, and this will display. Okay, they say display on. You click on this entire website. All right, then you click on usual rules, select this, click on select, say all, click on all. Okay, then once done, you just click on publish. Okay, publish, then you can edit, or you can leave it like this and just edit with Elementor. Click on edit with Elementor and wait for it to load. Now you can click on this Envato element. Okay, then check for the templates, the header and footer templates. Then select the template you use to design your website, you use to edit your website. Check for it, click on it, and then check for the header of this template. Now this is the header here. All you have to do is to click on insert template and wait for it to import. Okay, so this is the menu, this is the header, this is the logo, this is the button that display here. You can edit all these stuffs here. You can also delete. Okay, you can delete all these stuffs here. Edit. Just click on anything you want to edit here, click on this. So let's say for instance you want to remove the address of this website. You just click on this here and remove it. If you want to remove the domain name, you can also remove it here. Okay, so that's it for this. You can also edit all these buttons here by clicking on it and click on Instagram. You can copy your Instagram link and paste it right here. Your profile Instagram link and paste it right here. You can copy the Twitter and paste it here, YouTube, LinkedIn. And if you want to remove them, you can simply click on this button to remove. You can click on this. So this is just to build social proof. When people see that you're on social media and they don't know it, maybe they visited your website for the first time and they want to check out if they can trust you to purchase any of your digital products or online courses. They want to visit your website, they want to visit your social media pages to check if you are real, right? So that's it. You can use these stores to increase your conversion and all the stuff. So that's it. You can edit your logo here. Click on this. If you want to choose image, you simply click your logo here. If you want to, okay, so if you want to choose a logo, you click on this choose image, and then you can upload a file here, upload your logo from here, and select it and click on select. All right, so that's how to change your logo. And once you're done, you just click on this publish button and preview from here. All right, click on publish. If you want to make a page your home page, whether it's a page you just created with Elementor, any page at all, you want to make your home page, whether it's your blog page or your about page, any page at all, you want to make a page, your home page, you can visit, just go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to your WordPress dashboard, then you scroll down to settings, then click on reading, then scroll down. So make sure you select a static page, click on it. This home page displays a static page, click on choose this, and home page. Under this home page, so you click on this stuff and select the page you want to make your home page. Okay, this can be any page at all. So in this case, we created a home page with Elementor and we named it home page, not home stuff, not this, not this. This is the page we created. So you have to select this. You have to select this, and once you're done, you just scroll down. Sorry, home, scroll down and click on save changes. Okay, so this is the website here. This is the website. Now, if you want to create and edit other pages like your about page, your contact page, you can use same procedure we used in creating the same process we used in creating our home page. Just go over to add new page. Just go to pages, click on add new page, then you name the page and edit, add the templates, edit with Elementor and add the templates and start editing. Just same process, the same procedure, the same process we used to create the home page. That's how you can create the other pages like the about page and service page. Okay, so that's it. If you want users to log into their profile, if you want to add a user login to your checkout page, so once they are checking out, once they are purchasing your product, your digital product, they will as well create an account they can use to log into your website to access your online course. What you can do is to come over to WooCommerce. Here, settings, click on settings, site, and you click on accounts and privacy. So if you want them to create an account during checkout, you can click on this. So it will automatically check this one too. Send password setup link recommended. New users receive an email to set up their password. Okay, so this is cool. Just check this, make sure both are checked. And you can also select this too on my account page. Now we are going to leave this like this. Okay, so we scroll down and click on save changes. So that's how you can add user login to your website. So when they are checking out, when they are purchasing your online course, they will as well create an account. So if you go over here, over to this website. So let's say buy now. Then we scroll down and click on proceed to checkout. So you can see this, create an account with this. So you can create an account while checking out. So this is the create an account. Here you can check this. So you can create an account as well. Okay. Now, if you want to add a footer to your website, same procedure on how we created the header. Let's go over to your WordPress dashboard and click on that plugin we installed, the UAE plugin. Click on header and footer builder. So you can click on add new. Add new. Now we name this, let's say footer 2. Now we come over to this templates option, type of templates. Now we are going to select footer. We select footer, then we click on this select here and click on entire website. Click on this and select all, and then we click on edit with Elementor.